Brought out the hood exit again. Hey, what's up? Good morning. Good morning, baby girl. Got the GTR out here. Got the 335. Let's go. Bro, those downshifts sound insane. Bro, that Inventor is insane. And we got another GTR. Dude, this shit's gonna be crazy. Alright guys, we made it. All the supercars are out today, huh? Woo! What's up guys, you're watching another video. As you guys can see, we made it to another car meet. What we got here, we got the GTR out here, we got Manny's car out here.
Bro, it's smoking again.
Manny's car's on fire like always. Dude, that shit is really smoking.
It's actually really fucking hot.
It's on fire, bro.
Imagine?
But yeah, we got a bunch of cars out here. It's supposed to be like a huge supercar meet today. So that's why it's literally all supercars. McLarens, Aston Martin, a shitload of GTRs, some R8s, Ferraris, Lambos. There's literally everything here. So it should be pretty lit. All these guys are about to go on a cruise. So you know we're gonna try to race some people. I'm trying to race one of these V10s. I still have not raced a V10, like a Huracan or an R8. Oh my god, bro, that might be one of the cleanest M4s I've ever seen. That is the cleanest M4 I've ever seen. Holy shit. It looks so good on TEs. And that hood, woo! Damn, there's so many GTRs here. This one's on bags with the clear freaking with the clear hood. Woo! That's crazy. That's a lot. This is the homie Kevin Ortiz. If you guys have ever heard of him, he got a sick ass GTR.
Sick grass?
Badass interior.
Is that the sick grass car next?
Dude, I want an R8 so bad. So clean. We'll slam the hell out of it, bro.
Like bronze wheels and everything.
Damn. My twin. Damn, McLaren 720S on HREs. That's a big baller right there. Those wheels are probably more expensive than my E92, bro. Thing's nice. Carbon hood, everything. Look at the roof, dude. These are all the new Innosatec colors in person. Manny, I think that's the new color, bro. I think I'm doing it. I'm ordering it right now. This color is insane. So Innosatec came up with like 4 new colors. My M3 is actually wrapped in Innosatec brand. Oh my god. I was telling Manny, there's so many Aventadors here. I knew I should have brought mine, dude, but that shit was getting maintenance done, you know? But like I said, they made 4 new colors, and this is one of them. It's like a darker Nardo gray, and I don't know, dude. I like it, Manny. I think that might be the move, bro.
You're gonna do it or what?
It just looks so mean, dude.
Do it at the shop?
I would do it on the GTR. I'm trying to find a wrap color for the GTR, guys. I can't pick. And this is the Laguna Seca blue color. I've always told myself, if they ever make a Laguna Seca blue in a vinyl wrap, I'll do it. And guys, in person, it looks insane. The color does not pick up on camera. It looks so freaking nice. And obviously it looks so good on a BMW. Damn. 412 tune. I like the Laguna Seca and I like the gray. That gray is so sick. Bro, this thing is beautiful. Huracan with the Vorsteiner front bumper and everything. Damn, I can't believe he made it in there. Woo, that wing is sick. That's literally exactly how I would do a Huracan too. Yeah, we got Mark's Ferrari out. You bought the Ferrari. There's a bunch of freaking cars out here, bro. There's literally so many supercars, it's insane. Look at this wrap on this GTR. That thing is like matte red. No shine at all, bro. We got a Huracan, red interior, E30 M3. Damn, and it's red.
Any car here.
You're tripping.
Any car here.
I don't know about any car. This guy's R32 GTR. I want one so bad. Damn, bro, it's so nice. I want one but in black or else red or something. And then we got my twin, Lady Zilla. I literally copied her. I copied her wheels. I copied her tires. Except she got the carbon fiber trunk. If I do the trunk, then I'm really copying her. But she got upgraded turbos. She'll smoke me. Guys, look at this. This is the wrap Laguna Seca Blue. And that's the real Laguna Seca Blue. How you guys can see the difference. Woo! Now he's gonna blow his motor. Guys, this is gonna be crazy. We're all about to dip, going on a little cruise. Hopefully we could maybe race somebody real quick. I'm trying to race some supercars. And it's like the perfect event to do that. Some Ferraris I could race, some Lambos, everything. I'm literally so curious to see what the GTR could keep up with. There's a lot of GTRs here. Look at the 1,000 horsepower one that we saw in like last video, a couple videos ago. The RD Engineering one. There's probably like 15 GTRs. There's so many. That's the guy with the 2JZ Supra that 412's doing, and the wide body Huracan. He got all those cars. Damn, the cops are out. I hope we don't get pulled over. Woo! Alex Choi in the McLaren. Dude, I feel like I'm in Forza right now. Tell me this doesn't look like a video game. All these back roads, I've never been over here in my life. I feel like I'm in Forza, bro. That was an insane cruise. I'm so tired.
Bro, Bro, my head hurts, my ears are popped.
That cruise was like too long,
That
bro.
was a long canyon run.
We did a
bro.
canyon run for like
Bro, I thought
an hour
my
and a
tire
half.
popped, bro. It made a loud ass noise. Bro, look how much it changed color. Oh
You were
my
keeping
God.
up?
Dude, it changed so much color. Look.
Bro, I was leaving the Ferrari in the dust. You saw that?
Bro, you were driving so scared in the beginning.
At first? No, I was hauling ass.
You were,
Woo. GT2 RS. Bro, you know how expensive that car is?
it's like freaking 500K.
I think it is.
It's like $500,000.
Damn, the red is hard. I like red, bro. I think if I got one, it would probably be red or black. But this one's so clean. I was trying to race them on the freeway a couple of times, but we just couldn't get a good race. I want to race a Lambo so bad. But this thing is so clean with all the carbon fiber kit, the whole rear bumper, carbon fiber. Dude, it's literally perfect. Like, this is exactly what I would do. There's so many Huracans here, bro. Oh my God, this color is sick too. Oh, it's a Performante. Performante. 720S. And the Aventador. Which one would you take, Manny?
Out of all of them?
No, out of these two.
Well, this one is a lot faster.
That one is faster.
This one's big.
I think I'll take the Aventador straight pipe. But that one is fast though. Dude, I came to get 85 and look at the tire on the GTR. That shit is sick. Oh my God, bro. Bro, I want to go look at this so bad. It's like my car on a whole nother level. That's goals right there. I need that wheel set up. And I need whatever you got under the hood.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.